Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be another vlog, a day in my life. It is currently 10:30-ish and I just got back from the dentist, and then I went to Dunkin' and I got me my daily dose of liquid crack, as I would like to call it. And yeah, so I'm all stuff from the dentist, and I think today we're just gonna do a lot of laundry, a lot of homework, a lot of stuff to do. I don't have to work today, so that's good. Don't have class until 12:30. I was supposed to have chemistry today at 9:30, but I'm going to class on Friday instead of today because I have my dentist appointment. So yeah, just follow me along. We're gonna do some laundry, some to-do list, homework, all of that good stuff. So hi y'all, so I just got out of my Spanish class and I made my to-do list yesterday. So my to-do list says dentist appointment, 10 class, chem notes, psych notes, flip grip, Spanish notes, and CRSB meeting, and then maybe like to vlog and edit. But yeah, I'm gonna just check off my dentist appointment because I already did that, and I got one more class to go after this. I'm just gonna check it off. So I think I'm gonna work on some chem notes. Today is Wednesday, so this is my that's my daily to-do list, and then I have the daily assignments and a weekly format in my agenda. So you can see the clothes because I'm doing laundry still, but this is just CRSB, and then this is just my dentist appointment, a reminder to pay my car note, and then this is the assignment that is due today for my English class, and it's just to read a book. So yeah, and then I have a quote. I've been liking writing quotes on the side of my agenda. So this one says, train your mind to see the good in every situation. So I kind of like that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my laundry, watch some more YouTube, and get ready for class. Let me update you guys. It's been a minute since I vlogged last, but I've didn't finish all my laundry, but I finished majority of it. I still gotta do my whites and my colors. I'm gonna do those tomorrow because technically Tuesday is my laundry day, and then my mom came home and she's really anal about it. But I work on Tuesdays now, so I decided to do my laundry today because yeah, and really need it to be done, and because I need more work clothes. But it is so hot in my house. I just don't feel like doing any work because it's so hot. And yeah, so I haven't done anything. I'm watching YouTube videos, as you can hear it in the back, because I was doing my laundry. But maybe I'll do some work later. But right now, it is so hot. I don't want to do any work. I cannot be bothered.
out of school.